What's going on, guys? Got an AC. Seems like the compressor ain't working. Got the little stub gauge on there. You can hear the compressor trying to start here every so often. See if we can get it to make the noise here where it's trying to start. Damn cage is rattling. There it is. Well, we'll check the cap. So we definitely don't have a compressor. So I'm gonna pull the disconnect, get my meter, and we'll check the reading on the cap. Alright, we pulled the disconnect, got the meter out, so we'll check the cap here. Brown's your fan, the red and the purple here is our commons. And then yellow's our compressor. Hopefully it's a cap and not a compressor. Alright, so this is our common, that's the compressor. So we'll clip one lead on the Herm, which is your compressor, and we'll clip the other lead on the common. And we're looking for around 35. This is a 35/5. And we're getting 29.2. So it's definitely low. So we'll swap the cap out. Alright, now we'll take the old cap out. There's our new one, 35/5. And we'll just check it, make sure it's good before we put it in. Put one on the common, one on the Herm, and we're looking for 35, close to it anyway. Let's see what we get here. 35.4, so that's a good one. On the compressor side, now we'll check the fan side. Should be getting around 5. 4.94. There we go. It's a good cap. Now with this one here, I'm going to have to move this in here. So let me adjust that bracket. Alright, we got the new cap mounted. Okay. Now the yellow goes on the Herm. Alright, we got the yellow on the Herm, and then the brown is your fan back here, and then your purple and red are your commons. And the red. Alright, we're all wired up. Turn it on, see what happens. Alright, went and got a Subco hard start here. So we'll try to hook this up, see if the compressor will fire up. So we'll put one on the common, and we'll try one, put the other one on the Herm, which is the compressor. It's starting to rain, so I gotta, hopefully this works. Alright, just gonna let it hang right here real quick while I try it out. If it works, then we'll go ahead and mount it. Alright, now we'll put the disconnect back in. There we go. Hard start worked. Fired off. So I will go ahead and mount the hard start. Shut it back off. Mount that. Alright, we'll go ahead and we'll just mount this right here. Alright. Oops, backwards. Alright, that's replacing a capacitor and adding a hard start. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.